In today's video, I'm going to install Codeblock in our PC. So follow these steps. You will have to download this. Open your Google Chrome and search Codeblock on Google. Click search to browse this Codeblock. Page has been opened and you should have to write codeblock.org in your search tab. So choose the first most code.blocks. An interface has been opened and you should have to download this. Click the download button. Move the cursor below and click binary release. So guys, when you open binary release, there is lots of setup is present here for code block. So we have to download only code block in the fifth number. So there is two browser that you have to download this. The source forget. Click the source forget button and the interface has been opened. And now you have to download this. Click download latest versions and the downloading has been started. Code block downloaded has been started and it will take about 14 to 15 minutes to be downloaded. So wait. So mostly approximately has been downloaded and wait until it will be finished. You have to remember you should have strong internet that will be downloading in a few minutes. As you see, code block has been downloaded and click show in folder and it will show the folder of code block. Click on that folder. So when you double click and it will open and soon the interface of code block has been also be opened. So now the code block is loading. Click the next button and click I agree and click next. Then it will start downloading files. Let install it and locate where you wanna store that code block folder. So installation has been started. Wait until it will be finished. So it take about a few minutes to be downloaded. So wait until it will be installed in your PC. Soon installation has been stopped and then you should have to be move further. So wait until it will be installed in your PC. When this installation has been stopped, then we move further. So install. So click OK. Then we have to move further. So click the next button and then click finished. So install in your computer code block has been installed and then you should have to be move in C folder, C drive, so that you can be make a path of this code block in your PC. So move to code block, then min GW. Now click the bin option. When you click bin option, the bin has been opened and you have to copy the link of bin. So copy this link and give a path to your PC. Move toward the search window. Then search here is control panel and control panel opened and click on system and security. When you click, then click on system, then the system open and click here advanced system setting and the interface open. Click here environment variable. There is two variable, user variable, another is system variable. So we have to make the path in user variable. Click path and click on edit. An interface has been opened. You should have to be paste the link that you have been copied before and then make a code block and then click OK. So you have to be click then OK and then click OK to be make a path. So path has been made. So now code block has been detected. So now happen the code block when we open, when it will be open, you can see there is the same interface that been for C and C++. Now by writing program we can check the code block is working or not. So that's why we have to make a file. Click on file option and then make a new workspace. Click on file and then file option, then it will move toward the open. So move toward no and then project, and the project has been open. You can click on console application. when you click on this application, the interface for programming and you can say workspace has been created. So click next button. So when you click next button, there is a program name and so now you can see choose you C or C. So I am choosing C++. Then make a name here. So I am writing here, I'm giving the name Talha. So the folder you want to be saved here is the folder I have been created here. So when we open, so when open this, then the program automatically has been opened in your workspace. Then click select the folder. I have selected the folder, and you should have to be click on next button so that it will be. Now click on next button to be write a program for that. So click next button and then click finish. So our file for program has been created. Now we should have to be moved toward the file so that we can move toward our folder that is created recently. So I am opening my file where I have saved my file. So I'm opening my file and then click on the main file. So this is the program that has been created automatically in our code block. So when we run this program, to run this program, we have to be click here. So when we click these two buttons, then code block shows our output. So click here and then yes, I'm building now. So when we click here, so it is printing here hello world. Program is working correctly. It's mean I have downloaded this and installed in a correct way. It's working 100%. Now I will see to write another line to print the line. I am working. I'm printing here. I am working on code block. So right here in the double commas. So I am working on code block and I want to print this line. So check that is I am installing in a correct way or not. So when I will run the program, let's see it will print out or not. So when I run this program, it will be working correctly. It's mean I have installed the true version I have installed in 100% working. So guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel. Thanks.